Today I'm taking you with me to the annual San Francisco Art Fair at beautiful Fort Mason. This has to be one of my favorite events of the year. For 4 days from April 25th to the 28th, 85 leading galleries from all over the world gather to showcase some of the most innovative, stunning, yet approachable contemporary artwork in 2024. So join me and let's go wandering around to see what they have in store this year. Weekends can get crowded, so I went on a Friday and had a much calmer experience to soak up all the art. Admission is $35 a day. I'll be back later with more tips. In the meantime, enjoy the artwork throughout the video and let me know in the comments below what piece catches your eye the most. If you need a pick-me-up, they've got you covered with coffee, alcoholic drinks, and food. There's even a gelato cart. And free liqueur. Oh, and they also have a theater featuring guest speakers. Pretty much all the artwork here are quite expensive with prices in the thousands, but they do have a gift shop up front with more affordable pieces for you to take home. Like this butter boob, a must-have for every dining table. Whew, I spent almost 3 hours here, and I got my money's worth. I saw a ton of amazing art, but now I'm definitely arted out. So I hope you enjoyed wandering the San Francisco Art Fair with me. If you did, hit that subscribe button for more adventures around San Francisco.